Welcome to the lecture 4 of remainders. In this lecture, we will discuss a concept known as cancellation factor. Now, before we start our lecture, I invite you to join to our Telegram cat group. I will put this link in the description. Also, if you want to join for other MBA exams like CMAT and CMAT, I will put these links in the description as well. You can join there. Okay, so let's start our topic now. So let's say I want to find the remainder when 6 divides 16. So the answer would be 4, right? But if you notice here, can I cancel out these two? So let's say what I will do is I can cancel out 2 from divisor and 2 from remainder as well, right? I will get 8 here. So let's try to find the remainder when 8 is divided by 3. So from here I will get the remainder 2. So if you notice here, the remainders that I get are not same. Here I got 2 and here the answer is 4. So the correct answer is 4. So you can't simply cancel out some number, some common number from both the divisor and dividend. That will lead to a wrong answer. So how can I get the correct answer by this process? By cancelling out some number. So we can get the correct answer by multiplying back the cancelled number. And what is the cancelled number? Cancelled number is 2 into 8 by 2 into 3. So we cancel out 2, right? And this 2 is known as cancellation factor. This 2 is known as cancellation factor. Let us call this as CF. Okay. So if I multiply back by CF, if I multiply back my remainder by CF, then I will get the correct answer. Okay. So remember this thing. You can cancel out common numbers from dividend and divisor. The only condition is that once you find out the remainder, please don't forget to multiply back your cancellation factor. If you multiply back your cancellation factor, you are always going to get the correct answer. But if you forget it somehow, then most likely the answer would be wrong, right? The only case that would be correct answer would be by luck, you can say. Okay, so you can note down as a point as well as a note that we can cancel out common factor. And what is this common factor? This is known as cancellation factor. Okay. Now this is not a hard and fast name. You can name it any way as you want. Common factor from both dividend and divisor. We can cancel out provided we multiply back the CF to get the correct remainder. Okay, to get the correct remainder. I hope this is clear to you. Okay, now let us solve a few questions. Now here you will notice that why we want to use this concept. Okay, you will notice the relevance or importance of this particular method. So what can I cancel out here? So can I rewrite this as 4 into 4 raised power 95 by 6? So I can cancel out 2, right? This will be 3, this will be 2. So 2 into 4 raised power 95 by 3. Now when I divide 4 by 3, I will get 1. So 2 into 1 raised power 95 by 3. So from here, the remainder would be 2. Now the problem here is that I can't say that my remainder is 2. If you say that, this will be wrong. Why? Because what was my cancellation factor? The cancellation factor was 2, right? I cancelled out 2 from here, I cancelled out 2 from here. So please note that 2 is your CF. So in order to get the correct answer, I will have to multiply by cancellation factor. So 2 into 2, that would be 4. So I hope this is clear to you. If you multiply back by cancellation factor, you are always going to get the correct answer. So please don't forget this. Okay, now similar ways, 3 into 3 raised power 2022 by 30, I can cancel out 3, so 10, this is gone. So 3 raised power 2022 by 10. Now before I proceed, what I will do is I will note down my cancellation factor so that we don't forget, right? So CF is 3. Okay, now here we can solve. Now, if you have followed my last lectures on remainder, I have always told you that in order to simplify the larger powers, we should always aim for plus minus 1 remainder, right? So that even if we raise it to a larger power, we can always get a very simple answer, right? So what power of 3 will give me plus minus 1 remainder? So 3 square by 10, this will be 9. Let's say remainder 9 by 10. So, but this remainder can be written as -1 also, right? So it means that we can rewrite this as 3 square raised power 1011 by 10, and this will give me -1 raised power 1011 by 10 remainder. And from here, odd power of -1, this will give me -1, right? So -1 by 10, the remainder would be -1. But do we ever tell that my remainder is negative, right? We never give our answer in negative remainder. So in order to convert this to positive remainder, 10 minus 1, that would be 9. Now please don't say that 9 is your answer. Why? Because you will have to multiply by CF. So 9 into 3, 9 into 3. That will give you 27 as your answer. I hope this is clear to you. So correct answer is 27. Now let's look at one more example. So can I rewrite this as 5 into 5 raised power 2024 by 20? I can cancel out 5. So my CF, cancellation factor, is 5. Please remember this, okay? So 5 raised power 2024 by 4. Now again, what power of 5 will give me plus minus 1 remainder? So it is easy, right? 5 raised power 1 is going to give me plus 1 remainder. So 5 by 4 raised power 2024 remainder. So this remainder will be 1 raised power 2024 by 4 remainder. And any power of 1 is going to give me 1, right? So 1 by 4 remainder. This will give me 1. Now please don't say that 1 is your answer. Why? Because you have to multiply it back by cancellation factor. So 1 into 5, this will give me 5. So finally my answer is 5. I hope this is clear to you. So all these 3 examples that we discussed, you should appreciate this method, right? This cancellation factor. Why? Because it simplified our original expression, right? Okay. So now I have some practice questions for you. Homework time. Please answer it in the comment section. So the question is 7 raised power 5 sevens divided by 28. So cancellation factor would be, you can cancel out 1 7, right? So cancellation factor would be 7. So this is a hint for you, and you can solve it further. Okay. Now you can join our Telegram cat group. I will put this link in the description. Again, a reminder for you. So thank you. Also, if you like our lectures, then please share it with other MBA aspirants. This lecture is suitable for all MBA exams, right? It is not only for CAT. It could be beneficial for XAT, CMAT, NMAT, IIFT, SNAP, all the MBA exams. So please support our channel by subscribing and sharing it with other aspirants. So thank you.